So welcome to our Spring Manufacturing Forum. While our teams do very different things than all of your teams, many of the strategies, techniques, and concepts that you're going to hear today are top of mind for all of us.
Good morning, everybody.
I see it all the time. I see this pride, I see this intensity, I see people who are standing up for each other.
Culture starts at the top, and it starts with the leaders. And it's not what leaders say, it's what we actually do.
It's the personality, the motivation of the people, the collaboration of the people, and the alignment of the people with the mission.
Is scrape knees teach us to dance, which means go ahead, scrape your knees, make mistakes. That's how we learn.
People often ask me why I've been at Hatch for 34 years, and it's 1,000% our culture and the people that I do it with every single day. Identify first and foremost who you want to be, and then attract those individuals to your organizations. Because if you've got them at your brand, the rest comes pretty easy.
So, hey, Tim, we are
Glad to be here.
Thank you very much.